back with another one. All we're doing here is cleaning the eaves with a light brick rinse off. You see these eaves are pretty green. Got lots of green algae on them. Watch out for the sun. Over here, same thing. Garage door looks good. It's got some damage. Before I get up underneath here. Blow off these table and these chairs for her. Got lots of black algae. A bit of house damage there. She had a roof leak. Here on the south side. Up underneath here. Black algae, black. Couple of bird nests. Got knocked down. I don't think anybody's in there. Alright, we're all done here at this house. Everything come out great. All I was here to do was wash these eaves off. That's just shadow and it's still wet. This part of the house wasn't real bad over here. But she's already closed up that gate, so we'll come this way. Up here in the front was pretty bad. As you can see, it cleaned up real good. All of this cleaned up really well, which I knew it would. It was just green algae and some black. I'm going to go ahead and turn the water off here. We had some baby birds up here in this corner. There, so there's some eggs up in there, so I didn't mess with this, and she was okay with it. I guess you could see the eggs, I'm not really sure. So I just did from right here that way on under this front patio. If you like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Y'all have a good one.